Hello guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to raid any Discord server without having admin, like not a nuke, it's just a raid. So for example, I'm gonna link this Discord server in the description and then you're gonna join it. You're gonna go down to bots, get bots links, go and click no admin spam bot. Then once you join that, it will bring you to this server called no admin. You're gonna add app, authorize it, and for example, let's make a Discord server, or yeah, let's just do this one. And then you're gonna type in this, click on this, and then there's all the commands. Alright, you can ban people. The ban and IP are fake, but the blame is kind of odd. Like, the blame is actually kind of useful. And what you do is you're gonna type in spam, and you can spam raid, a message, or a GIF. So you're gonna type it in. You're gonna type in, spam raid, and then type in whatever you want. So I'm gonna just do everyone. And there you go. You can click X to see and spam. And as you can see, it actually works. Anyways, there you guys go. I hope this helps. And this tutorial is meant for people who want to like nuke servers, kind of. But except this one, it's a no admin, but it works. So if this tutorial helped you, make sure you comment. Thanks. Peace, guys. Have